Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can purchase game passes and Roblox items. So Dress to Impress prices have gone down quite a lot actually, and I'm really happy because I'm able to now purchase these items, like as you can see here. To purchase game passes as well as items, you're just going to select this icon here on your game. And here you can buy custom makeup, VIP, run faster, etc. And you can buy the items in the section here. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's on sale right now, so you better get it. I don't know if prices are gonna go up again. I hope not, but just get it before it does go up, if it does. But that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.